Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri. I will tell you a story entitled The Golden Snail. Long time ago, there lived a king of the kingdom named Kirtamata. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a very beautiful and kind girl, but his sister was an evil. One day, Chandrakirana was engaged to a prince of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inu Kertapati, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh invite to his sister. Then she went to a witch to harm Chandrakirana. The witch agreed to the one Dewi Galuh asked. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and sorcered her. She transformed the hair into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Galuh threw her which has become a snail in the river. One day, an old woman was walking for fish in the river using nets. When she was about to leave the net, she was a golden snail transported. Then she broke the golden snail, went home and put it in a jar. The next day, she returned to the river to look for fishes, but unfortunately, she did not get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her home. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been placed on the top of the table. This insight occurred over and over in the next day. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out who did it to her by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. She saw the snail turned into a beautiful woman and cooked meal for her. Soon, the old woman came into her house. "What are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a princess of Daha, were cursed by a witch into a golden snail," sighed her. After telling what had happened to her, she was invited Chandrakirana to stay with her. The news of Chandrakirana loss made the prince Inukertapati confused and sad. He searched for her all over the kingdom by disguise as the villager. The witch knew what was done by him. She was disguised as a raven to discourage the prince's effort to meet Chandrakirana. On his own way, Prince Inukertapati was helped by an old man who was great. He hit the bread with his stick until it died. Prince Inu took it to him. He also told the intent and purpose of his journey. After knowing what has happened, the old man told Prince Inu to search him in Dadapan village. Afterward, the prince traveled to the Dadapan village right away. After walking for days, the prince arrived in the Dadapan village. He was very thirsty at that time. Then he saw a small hut and approached it steadily. He was shocked because he saw his fiancée was cooking through the window. He immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and the magic was lost. Then the princess told what had happened to her, and she also introduced the old woman who has helped her to the prince. The prince was very grateful to the old woman. Then he brought Chandrakirana and the old woman to the place. After arriving at the place, the king was happy because her daughter had returned. He also knew what had happened to his daughter. Knowing his sister had been found, Chandragaluh ran away from the place because he was afraid of being pushed by his father. Finally, Chandra Kirana and Radha Kertapati were married and they lived happily ever after.